Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Nicole Sabarillo Diaz. I'm 26 years old. I'm from Cabanatuan City. I'm single and I'm a high school graduate.
Do you know how to take care of kids?
Yes, I know how to take care of the kids.
Can you tell us how?
I can give them nutrition food. I can assist them to going to school.
Please give a sample of nursery song.
Row, row on your boat, gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is about a dream.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
So I can earn my own money and I can help to my family.
Any message to your future employer?
If you will hire me, I can do my best to take care of your kids and your pets. And I will do my best to take my duties. Thank you. God bless.